Not all of us have mastered the skill of managing money. It is possible for us to knowingly or unknowingly have bad money habits. Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. I am here with a list of 5 bad money habits that you must avoid. Plus, I have brought tips for each of these bad money habits so you can deal with your money better. Let's get started. 1. No or bad budget plan. A budget plan may sound very old school or not so cool to youngsters, but it is essential for an organized financial life. It plays a crucial role in polishing your money management skills and gives you better foresight on estimating the expenses for the month or year. You may feel a little lost without a budget. A bad budget plan that excludes a part of your income or a few expenses can be misleading. Tip: here's how you can lay down an effective budget plan. Just list down your income and expense categories. Further, distribute the money you have into different expense buckets. Now, it is easier to analyze what share of your income is spent on what expense. You can then weigh the options and increase or decrease the share of each expense so that you don't regret your spending habits the next time. 2. I don't need an emergency fund. You may assume that you have a well-paying job and a high-end credit card and that there is no need to have an emergency fund. But COVID-19 has knocked such thought process down in broad daylight. The pandemic threatened the lives of many and challenged their survival, proving the importance of having an emergency fund to rely on at the times of despair. We are living in the age where pay cuts or job cuts are not uncommon. Using a credit card for essential expenses and not being able to repay may push you in deeper trouble. Tip: build an emergency corpus equivalent to the amount required for you to survive for 6 to 12 months even if there is no other source of income. 3. Ignoring your debts. It is common to face debts at some point in our lives to achieve something big. It may be to suit the tuition fee for a course, to buy an automobile, to have a shelter of our own, or for anything else. It is alright to have debts, but not to let them pile up. Don't just turn a blind eye towards the debts just because the purpose of borrowing the money is already served. Such ignorance can cost you dearly, both in terms of finances and credit score. Tip: set a reminder or two so you pay the monthly installments for your debts on time. Keep yourself up to date with the policy changes associated with your loans. If there is a way to reduce the interest rate, then follow the procedure to keep the total cost of your debt at the minimum. One way is to refinance your loan with the same bank or another bank whenever profitable. 4. Impulsive spending on credit card. A credit card can turn out to be the worst mistake of your life if you continue impulsively spending with it for an extended period of time. While some people may have the ability to pay back the credit on time, the others may have to struggle. In addition to repayment issues, your credit score may fall, leaving you with less options to get rid of your credit card debt. In the worst case, it may lead to declaring bankruptcy. Tip: make a conscious effort to stay away from overspending. Turn off notifications and avoid opening shopping apps on your smartphone so you don't feel like buying everything you see. Establish a strict limit on how much money you can spend on the credit card. Creating a budget plan can also considerably help in this case. 5. Investing in stocks without research. Don't invest in stocks or mutual funds just to surpass the benchmark set by your friend. Every person will have their own financial goals and risk appetite. The time remaining to achieve their goals may also vary. Investing without learning the intricate details of the investment product may lead you to financial loss. Tip: for beginners, investing in mutual funds can be a better option than in stocks. This is because mutual funds offer more options for you to diversify your portfolio and handle risk and returns better. Further, research well on whatever product you wish to invest on. There is a lot of information available on the internet. Consult an investment advisor before investing. Do you relate to any of these bad money habits? If yes, it's not too late to correct them. Make up your mind and take actions so you don't repeat them. I hope the video was informative. Thank you.